Make a great choice today with the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.